In this video from Casio Help, we're looking at how to create a negative sales department category on the SE-S3000. This procedure will also work on other models displayed in the video title, but for this demo we're using the UK model, the SE-S3000. So the first thing to do is turn the PGM key round to the PGM position and then use the arrow down button to scroll to the very last setting, which is system setting. You then press cash amount 10 to go into it, and then 3 subtotal followed by 0566 subtotal, then 2, and now you press the department or department buttons that you want to be negative. For this demo I'm using department 10, so I'll simply press department 10 and then you press subtotal. You now turn the key back to the reg position, and if we tear off that there, clear that error message, it already's gone away, and then if we now process a sale through department 10, it should apply as a negative. So we can see we've got minus £10 lottery win, so I've created this button as if I was doing a lottery win payout, and then when you cash the sale off you can see it's a minus receipt. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.